So we are unboxing Philips hand blender. So it is 250-watt hand blender with powerful motor, single trigger, easy to clean, 2-year warranty comes with the product. Okay, there are extra blade for whipping and whisking also. So let's start unboxing. So this is the bigger pack, a longer pack. It comes from. For the MRP of it is MRP written as 2000 Indian rupees, but we have ordered it from 1499 from Amazon. So it is packed from here. So we just need to remove this. So there is a box inside a box. Yeah. So this is the whole product. Yeah. This is one product inside a box. So we can see a whole blender here. It is placed here within another box, well secured, great packing by Philips. It comes with, so let's put it here. It is a manual, warranty manual. So what we are having here is this manual, then a bracket and screws. Screws are also available, so it is good. Yeah, so let's first unbox the mounting plate of it. So it is having, like, we can attach screw from here to this, and then just let me check. Yeah, so we can, by measuring this distance, we can place 2 screws on our wall like here, and then attach like this. Okay, so I don't know what is this for. Let's put it here. It seems like there are 2 blades and screws inside this little bag. So, okay, one is already attached to the product, and other 2 blades are like simple blades and screws. So like we can place these blades here, other 2 blades. Okay, so this is one thing, and the another thing is our product itself. Philips, good, well secured packaging by Philips, good work by Philips. Open it. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, very nice looking. So we can hold it well in our hand. So it's slick looking, simple product to make our home life easy. So it is Philips written on top side. There is ISI mark. Then there is simple button which will get started when it's working. Okay, there is one blade attached at bottom part. Yeah, that's all for the product. It comes with this bracket. It's simple product with all the essentials.